is the Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show, SICKDOE and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's SICKDOE and Crypto, don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's SICKDOE and Crypto, don't flip, yo. Pause, I'm back. Nigga, SICKDOE and Crypto. We got these indicators. Don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know we're making SICKDOE and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe. We're going to I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't want to trade crypto no more. If you don't understand that emotion, will take you to another place, and now you'll chase the red candle. Can't stand you. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's SICKDOE and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it.
Wall Street.
What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy.
It goes up really high. Wish I bought more. Wall Street Pete, SICKDOE in Crypto. Want to learn how to make SICKDOE in crypto? Yes, we talk about Bitcoin, crypto, news, talk crypto to me. Working harder than an ugly stripper. Look at that coffee drip. Ew. Wall Street Pete, here we are. Crypto news, live today, every single day. You hit that like, you hit that subscribe. We come here for you. That's all I ask for. So I hope you're having a wonderful day. It is Thursday, so we got past the hump day. What the hell's going on? Who is this guy? I'm just coming across YouTube. I don't know who he is. This guy is crazy. Talking about some crypto stuff. Does he really know? So just letting some people understand, I have a little bit of a background. Worked on the New York Mercantile Exchange, Wall Street Pete. That's where it came from, an actual man who did work there. So, a little bit of fun and games we have, but we do talk some serious biz. Talk about the EMA, exponential moving average, and the ribbon, and some crypto news. I got one of my videos blocked due to having a good day of that song. We're gonna have a good day, la-dee-da-da. And ain't no one gonna die today, blah, 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 right? We know how it goes. We'll have to keep blocking it, so I can't play the song no more, even though it's an instrumental. So I hope you have a good day, but really cool. Charles Hoskinson does say thanks to Samson, so we did talk about that yesterday. Samson to plant 2 million trees with blockchain technology. We're doing big things. First, Cardano was sending African boys and girls to school. 750,000 teachers, and this is something very special. So I'm trying to explain to you, we are making moves in the Cardano world. African students get an education. At the time, he was cooperating with the Ministry of Education from Ethiopia. So it's pretty amazing. I was impressed when I read the article. Just letting you know, 3,500 schools and 750,000 teachers will be involved. So that plan will see 5 million students receive Cardano blockchain-based IDs, allowing authorities to digitally verify grades and track every student's academic performance. So I found that very fascinating, very unique. Please hit the like and subscribe. Right now, Bitcoin's not looking too good. Right now, the market is looking really tasty, if you know, but from a lot of people's perspective, they've been in for a bit. So they're hurting. When is it done dropping? When is it done falling? We're getting very close to that time frame. I want to talk about, I have Bitcoin up here a lot. I have it up here twice, the two charts. That's why I say a lot. Higher lows creating. And what's happening is this is the weekly chart. So each candle represents a week. So understand we're going in depth of the whole chart. And if you go back, and I want you to understand, if you go back to the history of Bitcoin on the weekly now, I understand some of these prices. Look, some of the manipulation we've come down to. It took a while to get back out. Well, it's doing it now. And I'm going to open this up. I'm going to give you a better understanding. If you pay attention to the history, here it is, 365 days ago, the history of 365 days ago. I want you to really get this broken down. This is Wall Street Pete. This is my strategy, not financial advice. Please understand. But at the same day, it's a very important video. Here we are in January of last year. Very excited, right? Thought the world was going to be amazing. These candles don't look that big anymore, do they? We're on the weekly. Funky Fresh, Mr. Alex over there. Good morning. So if you see the bottom, and what I'm trying to show you here is I'll take the same movement, and I'll take the history of the downfall, and the history of the downfall showing me somewhere around here. And I'm not really too fond of it, but I do believe that there's a chance. I know this is bad news. I wanted to tell you last night I was very sick, not feeling well at all. So therefore, I didn't come live. I'm sorry. Last night I wanted to come live to you, and I'm looking at the date in July through August, about 37.3. Where am I getting that crazy number? It's from here in August 2nd. So August 2nd, I have it circled. There was a big time frame here. We started to find some type of resistance on a comeback. So what are we doing now? We're trying to find out where the resistance is on a comeback, right? We came down, fell. The sky was falling, 29,000. We had its funeral, and it was over. Well, now we came back, went to 69. Here we are doing it again, trying to create a new higher low. And my possibility, and I said 44K was a big number. Well, we have 3 days, so that's what this big important video is about. I'm going to do probably a 10-minute video, 7 minutes in. Understand how quick this needs to be. 3 days and 10 hours. So Sunday, Eastern Time, New York, New York. It is now 9:11. Oh, wow, how funny is that? 9:11 a.m. So this is meant to be. So understand what's happening here. We have the gods on our side here at 9:11 a.m., giving us a big sign. Watch Wall Street, Pete. Listen, back in September 2021, we started the support level. Weird how all this is managing 9/11, September 11. Here we are. It is the price that we were at and built support where we're currently at now. So we're going to find history back into September. Hope that we continue. If not, we will have a 41,000 price level that we did have on the 4-hourly. I wanted you to pay attention to. But look at this. Big news. One more wick, one more candle. And if you see, there's 2 candles here. Back September stuck. That was a fall. If you see this pink fall, this was from the September all the way down. We hit down to here. Well, I want you to understand, if we do that again, which I know this does get a little boring sometimes, but understand, if we do that again on the yellow frame now, let's see the last fall in April, right? Everyone was excited into this new year. We went up. Tesla bought 1.5 billion. What happened? The market skyrocketed, right? Everybody heard. Tesla was in 1.5 billion last year's news. What happens when this year they tell you who's coming in? So what's going to happen now is you're going to get this big fall. It was a 61.8 Fibonacci sequence fall. What happened was we went all the way up to here, and Uncle Fibonacci on the weekly now. Remember, we're watching the weekly. We went all the way down to the 61.8, and it's right here. And it's clear as day. Technical analysis. I'm not playing games, not putting numbers. 61.8 Fibonacci sequence level. You see it flip to support and resistance there. So remember what I just did there. Understand what I'm doing. It's technical analysis. It's not a game. This is real stuff. I put that there for a reason. Understand. I want it to go away now. I'm going to do what we did here. See the history, 61.8. Well, if I get the 61.8 again, it's telling me right here, 41,500 was telling me there. And now there's the bottom. There's my line. I see the 41,467 on the right. That's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm hoping for. So I'm hoping the candle on the next 4 hourly, or perhaps this weekly, is going to show during Sunday, which is in 3 hours, 10 hours. We have 3 days and 10 hours to really get there. So understand how important this candle is. This candle is not going to confirm. This candle talked ish. See what happened on the support? The support was 49.5 Bitcoin. We fell all the way down to 41.7. Understand, when it finished on the weekly candle, Sunday came, the money went up. Well, what we're hoping for on this new candle Sunday coming into Monday, we're hoping that we go up. What I'm telling you is I expect one more week down. And this is Wall Street Pete speaking. So understand, this is not any other regular Joe Schmo or regular guy. I'm telling you right now, I'm expecting another candle to take us through. What's going to happen is the history and the repeat of this possibility. And then the final week coming in to January 17th, you've heard it. January 17th, I believe, we finally get a nice motion up to the upside, breaking through the 53.5, and then we will be talking about Valentine's Day. We're talking about February. We're talking about this time frame coming in. So I want people to understand how important this is. It's going to take some time. Do get that. We're going to be talking about Valentine's Day, and I'm trying to see if there's a little quick heart here. That would be kind of cool if there was. If not, no worries. I'm usually good at finding and spotting this stuff pretty quick. My eyes are good for that, but today is not today, apparently. I thought we had one, and it does not. Oh, there it is. So we're going to be talking about this going into the week of Valentine's Day, and how funny, February 14th, right there, marked with the heart on the bottom. Pay attention, because that's going to be the date where I believe we will be touching this price. So imagine 59,000 Bitcoin. We'll take it. We'll put it right there. I want you to understand Wall Street Pete's prediction. We're getting ready to go. It's 11 minutes. We're already a minute over our time frame. Please hit the like and subscribe, and understand there's a lot of things happening here. The Bitcoin price, I do believe we will finish on 3 days and 10 hours. We will be seeing this price. So the candle will be fluctuating around here, if so. And if that is the case, you're already told what's going to happen. Like I said, not financial advice. Just a gentleman who used to work on Wall Street, likes to wear the visor. So understand, if you pay attention, we're going up. It's just going to take some time. This is definitely going to be the inverted head and shoulders pattern. As you can see, we have yet to develop a shoulder on this other side, so a lot of people don't get it. Boom, right here. So on the weekly, it kind of scares me. The weekly's telling me that there could be one more dead cat bounce coming to the 53, which is going to make us miserable. But coming into Valentine's Day, after we do that, maybe we still got to go time in. So this is a short, quick, white kind of trace of what I think I see coming. Understand, a lot of people are going to give up on Bitcoin at this point in time. Many people already have. This is a Bitcoin video, so understand I'm doing just Bitcoin. We'll perhaps make it tonight to do a video. I was feeling really ill. I'm sorry. Maybe next time I can alert you all. I fell asleep. But Valentine's Day coming in is looking to be the 60,000. I do believe this is what's coming. Another red downward spiral here, unfortunately. So taking us down, as you can see, prices where nobody really wants to be, and I don't want to do that again. I know every time I do some type of press there. When you say it will take time, roughly in a week or 2 weeks, I think it's going to take us into February. So that's the answer. So if anyone's answering, anybody's looking for an answer on how long it's going to progress to get us, well, the fourth quarter is in April. So understand, April takes us to the first quarter. So we're still in the mix on the first quarter. So February, I do believe February 14th, Valentine's Day, you may actually get a date this holiday. So, invest in some Bitcoin, buy this dip, have a sip, be very, very careful, please. It's a very high volatile market, as you can see on here. The charts are very massive, and I'm going to do one more quick thing. So this is like a 15-minute video. It stinks. I can never do the time frame I want to do, but that's kind of a good thing. So let's look. Let's remove the indicators, remove everything. We talked about a 61.8 pullback. Well, we already beat that. 61.8 pullback on the Fibonacci was 44.5, and that's why I thought we were not going to break that. But unfortunately, the FOMO's real. People get scared, and that's what happens. So we're going to remove everything. I'm going to show you before we go real quick, and I want you to understand, this doesn't look that bad. That's not that bullish. We're going down about as low as we could. I get that. But it's not that bad if you look at it in this format. A lot of people don't see with the naked eye of how good it looks. Sideways boring action, hitting old support, flipping to the resistance of the touch bases of January 4th. So if you see here one more time, I'm going to break it down as dummy as we can. January 4th, 2021, it was resistance. We're having problems. Holy shenanigans. A year later, we're having support at that level. So, I mean, it's really understandable on how we got here. But if you don't do TA and you don't follow, you have no clue why it's happening or how. This is possible. It doesn't blow my mind. So the truth is we must stay above there. I know it's like almost back and forth. I'm explaining to you where the prices could touch. But on the 4-hourly, I'm trying to explain to you on a beating of a dead horse, we really do have to remain above that price. So I want you to understand, and Bitcoin Ami, it's cheap as dirt. That's what happens. The altcoins get their ace kicked. And I thought 38,000 was a great price to buy Ethereum. I was like, oh, wow, 38,000 is great. We're staring at 33,900, ladies and gentlemen. It's pretty scary. But if you get rid of the drawing, it's actually been moving faster, and its gains have been going quickly through the upward spikes here when it's done falling. So when we find the support, and like I said, you'll get an upward spike probably, but what's going to happen? We're going to spend a couple weeks here in this range. Understand what Bitcoin and Ethereum is doing. Maybe Ethereum does go through and breaks through here, but I don't see it happening. The weekly, it's doing something different. Perhaps we got the shoulder in there. Perhaps we got a head coming. That would be fantastic. But it's yet to remain to be seen. So this is Ethereum real quick. I was just showing you. But Bitcoin chart, man, this is daddy. So Wall Street, Pete, SICKDOE, and crypto. At the end of the day, it's what daddy does. It really does. And if you see here, since November 2020, coming in, it's been nothing but high volatile waves. That's all it is. If you don't see that, You got a lot to learn. So understand some of the guidelines. Understand this is not financial advice, but understand that, used to do technical analysis, the fundamentals, the market cap. Check your coin market cap. If you've never done that, a guy who worked on Wall Street has good advice for you. Check and see where we're at. 2 trillion total market cap, not very good. The Web3, we have Jack Dorsey trying hard as heck to get Web3 internet back into this world. Understand, he is working on making everything the layer Web3, and if Bitcoinomics is involved in that, we're going to have some big things going into the future. So they're showing women trying to get your attention. It's getting ridiculous. This is what we have to do today. I know there's a lot of negative Nancy's out there, but I'll tell you right now, if you hang tight, keep your day job. Don't quit your day job. Keep working. Spend and put in only what you can afford to invest. Please don't put everything in there. Just put what you can afford. Live your life. And soon enough, this cesspool of this crazy world that we have created, the blood's in the streets that's happening here. To a lot of us, if you just hang tight, I'm telling you right now, time will prevail you. So please hang tight. Understand you need to buy these dips. These dips are here. These are opportunities. Some people, they trade on emotion, and they don't find these as opportunities. I'm excited today. I wanted to start the show all hyped up and excited and yay, let's go. But some people don't feel that. Your money's down. You're losing. You're not happy. I get it. I'm pissed off. The market sucks. That's how I wanted to start the show, right? But you have to understand, this is a buying opportunity. These are opportunities that people are going to be talking about in history. And as we talked about history at the 9/11th hour 10 minutes ago, on September of the month of the weekly charts that we showed you, they're very important detailed levels. Pay attention to the 41.5. Let's hope we can stay above there on the 4-hourly. Please invest only what you can afford to lose. Do not go above your means. If you don't have bread at home and you're sitting here buying dips, there's something wrong. So stop. So let's be human. We're going to feed the poor one day. We're going to take care of other people. But first, we have to take care of us. This is the Wall Street Pete Show, SICKDOE Crypto. Nobody out there is working harder for you than an ugly stripper. That's the truth. But I'll take second place. I'm trying hard as heck for you. We're doing research as I advise you to do yours. So have a great day. Wall Street Pete, SICKDOE in crypto. Want to learn how to make SICKDOE in crypto? Well, you hit the like, you hit the subscribe, you hit the bell notification, and we try to do at least 2 videos a day. I promise. I'm trying to stay very active. We've been sick for a little bit. Who the hell knows what happened? But we'll be back stronger than ever. Stay tuned.